Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here 8.2 mixed number, mixed fraction. Color to represent the mixed number. Color to represent the mixed numbers. What they given here? 2 and 2 by 9. 2 and 2 by 9. How to color there? First one, 2 is a complete number. See, here 2 is a completed number, and here 9 box given here, 9 sub box, there colored there 2 parts. Understand? Here how do you color? You color there this one all first. One box, one square box color. Here also one square box color, because of here 2 number is a complete number given you. Okay. Next one, 2 by 9. How many is there? 9 part is there. Only there colored 2 part. Okay. 2 by 9. Understand? All of you understand? 2 by 9. 2 and 2 by 9. Understand? To completely color there. Here is 9 parts. There only 2 parts color. Okay. This is we call the mixed number. Next one, 1 and 3 by 4. 1 and 3 by 4. How many colors you? How many circles given you? 1, 2, 3. What they want? 1 is a complete number given. Means 1 circle you complete la color. Okay. And next one what? 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Means one circle have parts how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. They are colored only 3. Understand? Here got you 1 and 3 by 4. 1 and 3 by 4. Next one also. 2 and 1 by 2. 2 and 1 by 2. Completely number 2. Color there 2 triangle. Color there 2 triangle. Color there 2 triangle. And 1 by 2 means half. Only half. Understand? D1 is your homework. D1 is your homework. Next one, put a cross for a improper fraction and correct tick for mixed number. Correct tick for mixed number. Mixed number, which number you call? Where is a one complete number given, and next is a by numbers. By one's numbers means one. See here 5 and 1 by 3. 5 and 1 by 3. You call that number mixed number. Tick there. 3 by 2 improper number, because of here denominator is smaller than the numerator number. So you cross there. 7 by 7 also cross there. 6 by 11. This is a proper fraction. This is a not a improper fraction and even not able to mixed number. Okay. 3 by 4 also same. 2 by 2 and 3 by 4. 2 and 3 by 4. How to read? 2 and 3 by 4. This is a mixed number. 2 by 7 is a proper number. 7 by 2 is a improper number. 4 and 1 by 6 is a mixed number. Understand? Okay. Next one. Question number 4. Circle the proper fraction and cross the mixed number. Circle the proper fraction and cross the mixed number. Okay. circle the proper fraction. Proper fraction means what? Denominator number is a greater than the numerator number, and mixed number means they are given one complete number and next number is a into the fraction means proper fraction and improper fraction. You call that number mixed number. 3/4 is a proper fraction, so circle the proper fraction. 2/3 also proper fraction. 6/5 this is an improper fraction, you leave that. 1 and 4/9 this is a mixed fraction. 3/8 this is a proper fraction. Understand now? FGHI is your homework. FGHI is your homework. Complete this number line. Circle the improper fraction. Circle the improper fraction. 0, 1/4, 2/4. Next one what number? 3/4. 4/4. 5/4. 6/4. 7/4. 8/4. 9/4. And 10/4. Here, where is the improper fraction start? Numerator, denominator is the same. Numerator is a greater than the denominator. Numerator is a greater than the denominator. There you circle, okay. B1 also 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 6/4. After 4 which number coming? 5. 5/5, 6/5, 7/5, 8/5, 9/5, 10/5, 11/5. Where improper fraction? Both are same. Numerator number is a greater than the denominator number. Okay. This also you got the improper fraction. Improper fraction. Today's homework, page number 100, 101 is completed. Okay. Next one. Conversion of improper fraction to mixed number. Conversion of improper fraction to mixed number. There is some rules. There is some rules. Okay. See here which one rule is there. Convert there 10/4 to mixed numbers. Mixed number. Okay. What you do here? First you divided numerator number to denominator number. Numerator number by denominator number. Numerator number by denominator number. 4 2s are 8. Write the quotient is a natural number. Quotient as the natural number, yeah, complete number. What I call that? Complete number. And remainder is a of the proper fraction, and denominator number will be the same as a denominator of the given improper fraction. Of the given improper fraction. 10/4. 10/4 here also same. Okay. How to write? See, 10/4 is a mixed number. What you do first? Divided. But here this one is a wrong. Why this one is a wrong? See. 10/4 is in a one table. So 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Next one, what you write? 5 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1. Okay, here quotient is a write as a natural number. Quotient is a write as a natural number. Remainder is a right is a numerator number. Remainder is as a right numerator number, and denominator number as a right, same as it is 1 by 2. Understand? All of you understand? Next one. Some 20 by 5. 20 by 5. How to write this one? 20 by 5. 5 4s are 20. So this is a mixed number. What they come in? 4. Understand? 19 by 9. 19 by 9. How to come? Mixed number. 19 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 1 is their remainder. 1 is their remainder. How to write? 2 is a natural number, complete number. Remainder write as a numerator number, and divided number या फिर denominator number write as it is in a proper fraction. In a proper fraction. And in proper fraction what they write? Also same there. Denominator of the given fraction also same right there. Understand? All of you understand how to come? 11 by 7. 11 by 7. How to write? 11 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 4. 4 is the remainder. Only one number is here completed. Okay. 1 and 4 by which number write? By 7. Same as it is. Understand? All of you understand? First one you see there. Both are in a one table. That time first you divided there, and then remaining numbers you also divided there this type and write there mixed number. Right there mixed number. Okay, all of you understand now? Now open your textbook. Now open your textbook. Page number 102. Page number 102. See. Write the improper fraction for the given figures. Write the improper fraction for the given figure. Okay. Here. Write improper fraction. Here one circle colored. Here half circle colored, and here 3 by 4 circle square is a color. Square is a color. See here, we convert this one figure here, this one figure here, and this one figure here. How many color there you want? Full square, how many color there? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 2. Okay. And how many is there remaining? One color. One part is there. And how many is there? One square, how many part is there? 4. 2 and 1 by 4th is colored there. 2 and 1 by 4th is colored there. Understand? All of you understand? Next one. How many circles are there? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. How many color there? Full 1. And here one circle, how many part? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are there. And how many color? Remaining color part 1 is there. So write there 1 and 1 by 3. 1 and 1 by 3. Understand? Next one. Convert these improper fraction to mixed number or natural number. Mixed number and natural number. We want here mixed number. We want here mixed number. Mixed number means उसे क्या बोलते हैं? You got their natural number, numerator number, denominator number. Okay. See, 14 by 9 given. 14 by 9 given. 9 to the 18 means here 9 ones are 1. Quotient is a 1. And how many is there remaining? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 by denominator number, right, as it is. Understand how to come? No, na? See here. First one number here given you. 14 by 9 means how to write? 14 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. How many is there remaining? 5. 5 quotient right is a natural number, a complete number. Remainder is a right on numerator number. And divided number, divisor number write as a denominator, या फिर here denominator number write as a here. Okay, all of you understand? B1 what? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2. Right? This one here, this one on a numerator number and divisor number right as here. Understand? It is a very easy. C1 6 by 3. 6 by 3. See here, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Right here, natural number. Right here, natural number. D1 5 by 3. 5 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 2. 1, 2 by 3. 1 and 2 by 3. 1 and 2 by 3. So, 3 by 2's answer what is here? You solve in your notebook and then you write here answer. Okay, C's number what? 2 is there. 5 by 3 is equal to 1 and 2 by 3. 1 and 2 by 3. 8 by 7. 8 by 7. How to write 8 by 7? 8, 7. 7 ones are 7. 1 and 1 by 7. 1 and 1 by 7. By 7. 15 divided by 2. 15 divided by 2 is equal to 2 sevens are 14. 1 is their remainder and by write numerator number as it is. Understand? 8 by 3. 3 twos are 6. 2 is their remaining. By divisor number is equal to given denominator number right as it is. 12 by 5. 5 twos are 10. 2 is their remainder and 5 as it is right. Yeah, denominator number as it is right. 5 ones are 5. 1 is remainder. Understand na? J to N is your homework. J to N is your homework. Okay, now see here. 8.4. 8.4 here. Okay. Conversion of mixed number to complete numbers to improper fraction. Improper fraction. How to convert? All of you know how to convert there? There is a one method is there. One formula is there. Given number is a mixed number, na? Given number is a mixed number. That time what you do? Natural number या completed number multiply by denominator number plus numerator number and write there as it is denominator number. As it is denominator number. Understand? All of you understand? No. I solve here 3 and 3 by 5. One example I teach here. What is the formula is here? Natural number multiply by denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. Okay, divided by denominator. Here see, natural number which? 3, denominator number 5 plus numerator number 3, write as a denominator number. 5 3 is a 15, 15 plus 3 divided by 5, 15 plus 3 18, 18 by 5, 18 by 5. This is your answer. This is your answer. Understand all of you how to come? Understand now? What is answer is here? Improper fraction 18 by 5. Next one example I teach you. 4 and 2 by 7. 4 is a natural number. Multiply by denominator number is a which number? 7 plus numerator number 2 divided by 7. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 2 divided by 7, 30 by 7. 30 by 7. Understand? All of you understand now? Okay. Open your textbook. Convert this mixed number to improper fraction. Improper fraction. How to write? Natural number 7. Here natural number which? 7. Multiply by denominator number plus numerator number divided by denominator number. 56 plus 3 divided by 8. 59 by 8. 59 by 8. Understand all of you? Next one. Natural number multiply by denominator number plus numerator number by denominator number. 10 multiply by 4, 40 plus 1 by 4, 41 by 4. You got their answer, 41 by 4. Next one also same. Natural number multiply by denominator number plus numerator number divided by denominator number. 9 5 is 45 plus 3 divided by 9. 48 by 9. 48 by 9. Next one. 7 multiply by 3 plus 2. Natural number divided by multiply by denominator number plus numerator number divided by denominator number. 21 plus 2 by 3. 22 by 3. E, F, G, H is your homework. G and H also when I teach you na, for example, that time you learn that one. Okay. Next one, convert this improper fraction to mixed number. Here also what you do? Divided. You divided there. 4 13 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. Here natural number write as a quotient, remainder is a numerator number, and denominator number write as it is a divisor number. All of you understand? Same as it next one. 75 divided by 8. 8 9s are 72. Quotient write natural number, remainder write numerator number, and denominator number write as it is. Okay. 82 divided by 9. 9 9s are 81. Quotient write natural number, denominator as a divisor number, and remainder is a numerator number. Understand? D, E, F is your homework. D, E, F is your homework. Now 8.5, comparing and ordering unlike fraction. Comparing and ordering unlike fraction. This is also your homework of 1.3. This is also your homework. Next one, comparing and ordering unlike fraction. Comparing and ordering unlike fraction, what you use there? More than, less than, and is equal to. More than, less than, and is equal to. Okay. What they want there? Previous video we learned there which numbers? LCM, HCF also we learn na. This one, fraction, factors, HCF and LCM we learn here. Here also we used here LCM. Here also we used here LCM. Understand? LCM also used here. Now see here how to do. (8.5) compare. 8.5 comparing and ordering unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. How do we do? First one example, 7 by 12 and 14 by 24. 14 by 24. See here. First one we see here denominator number. We see here denominator number. Understand? See here denominator number 12 and 24. 12 and 24. LCM means what? LCM means what? All of you know na LCM means? See here. LCM. LCM means what? Common division method. Lowest comparing method. Yes na? List common prime factors. LCM means what? List common prime factors. You see how to do. Which is the common factor? 2. Here 20, 30, 40 is given. 2, 2, 2, 3, 5. And you multiply there and write there. List common factors. List common factors you write there. Now how to do? See, 12 and 24. 12 and you want here LCM of 12 and 24. 12 and 24. 12 and 24 is in a one table. Is in a one table. Means their LCM is a 24. Their LCM is a 24. Means here you want here also 24, here also 24. Means both sides you want their denominator number 24. 24. Yes, simple method. See, simple method what is there? 12 and 24. 12 table have 24. So their LCM is a 24. Understand? Now you want here also 24. 12 to the 24. What you do? Denominator number also do the multiply to numerator number also multiply by 2. Numerator number also multiply by 2. Denominator numbers also multiply by 2. You got that? 14 by 24. And here also 14 by 24 given. You got here 14 by 24, 14 by 24, 14 by 24, 14 by 24. Both are same. You write there both are same. So what you write? 7 by 12 and 14 by 24. Both are same. Both are same. Understand? All of you understand? Next one example we learn here. B1. 17 by 10 and 3 by 7. 17 by 10 and 3 by 7. LCM of 10 and 7 is equal to 70. You multiply there both numbers. Here also one common 12 and 24 is in a one table. So greatest number you write a LCM. Here 10 and 7. What you do? 10 multiply by 7. You got there 70. You got there 70. Okay. So next one. What you do here? 70. You want here denominator number 70. 17 multiply by 10. 10 multiply by 7 and 3 multiply by 7 multiply by 10. You got here 70. 3 multiply by 10. Which number you multiply now? That number also you multiply by numerator and denominator. Here you multiply by 7. So you multiply by 7 numerator number. Here denominator number you multiply by 10. So you multiply by numerator number also 10. Okay. 17 by, multiply by 7. 17 sevens are 119. 10 sevens are 70. Next one. 30 by 70. Which is the big? 119 is a big, na? Here, this is a proper fraction or improper fraction? Improper fraction. Improper fraction. What you write? Improper fraction. What you write? There is some one rule. Some rule is there. Previous video we learn here. See. 7 by 10 and 10 by 7 there both sides are same, denominator also same, numerator also same. Here see, numerator same and denominator is a different. That time which denominator is a small, that one is a big, but denominator also same and numerator is a different. That time which numerator is a greatest, that one number is a more than. Here 119 by 70 and 30 by 70, which is the greatest? 119 by 70, because of here denominator number is a same and numerator number is a different. Understand? All of you understand now how to compare the number? All of you understand? Okay, now open your textbook. 5 by 6 and 4 by 9. 5 by 6 and 4 by 9. How to compare? First one, you want here LCM. LCM of 6 and 9. 6 and 9. That also not coming in a same table. Means 3 by 3 to the 6, 3 3 is a 9. But divisibility 2 also here you did. So what you do here? 6 and 9. 2 3 are 6, 9 also as it is, right? 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Right there LCM. First LCM. You want here denominator number 18, here also 18. 6 3s are, you multiply by 5 3s also. 9 2s are, 4 2s are. 15 by 18. 8 by 18. Which is the greatest number? 15 by 18 is greater than the 8 by 18. Next one, B1 also. 2 by 9, 1 by 4. 2 by 9, 1 by 4. You want here LCM of 9 and 4. Okay, 9 and 4. What you do? 9 and 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 2 multiply by 2, 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. You write here LCM of 9 and 4, 36. You want here 36 of denominator number. 4 9s are. Means 2 4s are, 1 9s are. 2 4s are 8, 36. Here also 36, 9. Which is the greater? 9 by 36 is a greater. So 8 by 36 is a smaller than the 9 by 36. C, D, E is your homework. D, E also I solve on my page. Okay. You try to solve that one. Arrange the fraction in the ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. How to do? Here also same procedure. You first do denominator numbers are same. What you do that? So first one, 1 by 8, 3 by 4, 5 by 8. Here you want here LCM of 8 4 8. Right here 8 4 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. LCM of 8 4 8 is equal to 8. What you do? First one, 1, here is 8. So 8 multiplied by 1. Next one, 4 to the 8, so 3 multiply by 2. Next one also 8 is given, 8 ones are 8, 5 ones are 5, means 1 by 8, 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8, 5 ones are 5, 8 ones are 8. Now you compare their numerator number. Ascending order means AO. Ascending order means write their small to big. 1 by 8, 6 by 8, 5 by 8. Compare their numerator number. 1 is a first one smallest number, second one smallest number, and this is a third one number. You got there 1 by 8, 5 by 8 and 6 by 8. Here also descending order you write 6 by 8, 5 by 8, 1 by 8. Understand? All of you understand how to do? First you solve their LCM of denominator numbers. Then LCM you want the denominator number. You multiply their numerator to numerator and denominator. Denominator numbers you want their LCM number. How many numbers you multiply now? Which numbers? Same as it is, you multiply by numerator number. Understand? See here. First one 3 by 5, 2 by 10, 1 by 2. You first solve here LCM. 5, 10, 2. 5. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. Next one. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Means here 5, 10, 2's LCM is equal to 10. You want here 5 multiplied by 2, so 3 multiplied by 2. Next one 10 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by 5. You got here 6 by 10, 2 by 10, 5 by 10. Here write AO means ascending order and DO descending order. 2 by 10, 5 by 10 and 6 by 10. And here also 6 by 10, 5 by 10 and 2 by 10. Understand? All of you understand? Next one. B1. 5 by 6, 2 by 3, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. What is the LCM here? You got here LCM of 6, 3 and 2. 2 3s are 6, 3, 2 1s are 2. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. What is the answer there? 6. LCM of 6, 3, 2 is a 6 is there. That one is a correct. See, 2 3s are 6, 3, 2 1s are 2. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 6 is there correct. How to write? LCM of 6, 3, 2 is a 6. Is a 6. 5 multiplied by 1, 6 multiplied by 1. Next one 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2. Next one 2 multiplied by 3, 1 multiplied by 3. You got their answer 5 by 6, 4 by 6 and 3 by 6. Write their answer AO and DO, ascending order and descending order. 3 by 6, 5 by 6, 4 by 6, then 5 by 6. Understand what mistake I did here? 5 by 6, 4 by 6 and 3 by 6. Understand? C and D is your homework. C and D is your homework. Okay, thank you.